Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be making an easy oven roasted green beans and mushrooms side dish. What all goes into the easy oven roasted green beans and mushrooms? 1 pound fresh green beans, washed and trimmed. This is 12 ounces, so I'll use a little bit out of a second bag. 8 ounces fresh mushrooms, sliced. I've got baby Bella mushrooms and they're already sliced. And this is 16 ounces, so I'll use half of this. 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 1.5 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, and it calls for fresh cracked black pepper and sea salt to taste, about 1 teaspoon each. I'm just going to be using the regular salt and pepper. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Take a large baking sheet, line it with either parchment paper or aluminum foil. I like to bring it up on the lip a little bit so they don't stick to the pan. And set that aside. So I rinsed my mushrooms and my green beans, trimmed up the green beans, cut the mushrooms into a little bit smaller pieces, patted them dry, put them in a bowl. I'm going to get a bigger bowl and then dump my mushrooms and my green beans into this bowl. Make sure you have clean hands because you're going to be mixing this with your hands. Add your 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, your 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, your 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. Then reach in the bowl and carefully toss until well combined. Make sure that all the green beans and the mushrooms are coated. So take your baking sheet and put your green beans and mushroom mix on the parchment or aluminum foil. Make sure they stay on the pan and then spread these out in a single layer. These already look good. Green beans, if you're diabetic, are actually one of the best vegetables that you can eat. Corn is one of the worst. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So take your easy oven roasted green beans and mushrooms, put them in a preheated 400 degree oven for 20 to 23 minutes on the middle rack until the green beans are your desired tenderness. So after 23 minutes, I took the green beans and mushrooms out of the oven. If you'd like, you can add grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to wait and put it on the individual plates so we can add as much as we would like. So we'll get this dished up and then Dave can do a taste test. So I'm going to add a little bit of the Parmesan cheese. So here is the easy oven roasted green beans and mushrooms, and rounding out the meal is Swiss steak. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What am I testing?
Easy oven roasted green beans and mushrooms.
like them better this way than boiled or the canned ones. I don't know, but I like these.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.